So first of all, we've got a picture of the product, then some technical specifications like Bluetooth 5.0, IPX7 resistance, the name of the product and the company's logo. Then we've got more things like agronomical design, secure fit, pure audio bliss, IWP technology, 500 mAh carry case, one touch voice assistance, advanced capacitive touch control, which is really good. And on the back we've got some technical specifications listed, like the information of the product and the things that the package contains. All the contents of the package I will be showing you later in the video. The case has a very sleek and stylish design which will surely impress you if you all like the color black and have a stylish approach towards your headphones. The finishing is in matte black and it has the word "Boat" written on its lid. If you look at the back of the case, it has a USB-C type charging cable, which is really good because it charges very quickly and it's really accessible everywhere. On the front of the case, we have got an LED light to indicate the battery level of the case. Now it's time to see and review the technical information about the Airdopes 441. The case has a 500 mAh battery which will give you 14 hours of playback time. A single earbud has a 35 mAh battery and it also has capacitive touch control technology. These earbuds are IPX7 water and sweat resistant, which is very good, and that means you can work out with them as well and sweat or a little bit of rain won't hurt them. And they also support the Insta Wake and Pair technology, which is very helpful and good. It also supports the one touch voice assistance, which is very useful if you're on the go. These will provide you 25 hours of total playback time, with 5 hours being on one charge of the earbuds and additional 20 hours with the case. Some more features include they being ergonomically fit with the hooks and designed to be a secure fit. They're supporting IWP technology and they're having pure audio bliss 6mm dynamic drivers. So I'll be testing the mic quality of these Airdopes 441 in this video, and whatever you guys can hear is the final voice quality or quality of voice being transferred to the other person during a call or a meeting. Just to tell you guys something, I took a lot of calls and attended some of my online classes with these headphones, and they worked pretty well. The other person didn't complain of any kinds of problems with my voice, and it was the same for me. I didn't face any problems while taking the call. For me, the sound quality is 9 on 10, the mic quality is 7 on 10, connectivity is 7 on 10, value for price 8 on 10, ear fit 7 on 10, and others 8 on 10.